practical skills of a learner. And it's also one of the most important things because when you play chess, you always explore, you always think, you always strategize, you always have a way. Yeah. So when you are dealing with mathematics, you need those skills of always having a way. When you are faced with a mathematical problem, you must always have a way of getting out of the problems. You must always go deeper into critical thinking because you are faced with a challenge. So we believe, as you also believe through your research, that chess is one of the techniques that will assist the young ones in developing a brain, nurturing a brain of a young child in order to be able to face challenges in future.
So all in all, we are very glad for chess. As the principal has said, our learners' performance has improved a lot since the introduction of chess. Wow. They are playing, they learn through playing. Whilst they are playing, they also learn a lot. Yeah. Their cognitive skills, their gross motor, their fine motor skills have developed a lot since we've incorporated chess into our programs. I wear my uniform.